Hi there, this is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Uh, Get Data Solution is a channel that presents and produces dashboard and other data management tools. The purpose of Get Data Solution is to modernize data system, save time, generate automatic report, reduce cost, and increase productivity. Those are the top purpose of this channel, Get Data Solution. Today we are going to see VLOOKUP function for one of practical purpose. Last time we have seen the function of VLOOKUP for budget calculation. Today we are going to see the, the use of VLOOKUP for grade report generation. Okay, uh, that is the topic of today. Here is the grade report for students. This is for 100 students. Okay, this data is done for 100 students, and this is the subject: English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, History, and we have some summation of the grade point and the average. Here also we have a rank. Just using a VLOOKUP function, we used this grading system. If it is 100, A plus; if it is 95 and above, A; if it is 90 and above, B plus; if it is 80 and above, B; if it is 70 and above, C; if it is 60 and above, D; and if it is 55 and above, D, and then F. So this is our grading system. So we used VLOOKUP to work this. This is the syntax. The syntax is VLOOKUP. J3 is the average value of the subject. Then the reference is a table. This is the highlight section, which is P3 to Q10, and the 2 is the last index column. So that is our VLOOKUP function. So once we just adjust that, and we click F4 to lock the cells of this reference table, then we can drag it. We drag this data to the last person. I think it is saving. So we'll drag it to the end. Yeah, it's working. This is for up to the 100 for the 100 students. If you see and analyze the data, for example, the first student has got an average of 94.5, and which is B plus. Look, the fourth student has got 52.3 on average, and that is actually F. Let's look how many F do we have. 2 F so far. How many A plus? There is A plus. The average is 100. Yes. So we can further analyze if you like. So we can easily get the grade report in a short time by simply using the VLOOKUP and then dragging for the other students. We can also check the rank of the student using the rank from the data sets. In this particular case, for example, the rank is used also on average. J3 in this case, for example, is the average is 9.4.5 for the first student, and then the range of the data is from J3 to J102, and then we look the range so that we can get the rank. So who is the first? Look, for the student who have got F is the 100th one. So we can find the top one who have got which is 100 rank 1. So it is working. So as I've already said, VLOOKUP is used for different practical purposes, and in this particular case we have used this one for generating grade report for students. In this case we have used for 100 students, but we can adjust the number as we like, and even we can adjust this grading system. If I change this grading system, it will automatically change the report of grading. So in general, VLOOKUP is very important to solve practical problems, and I hope you have understood it, the purpose of VLOOKUP function. Today we have seen a great report generation using VLOOKUP, and in the next upcoming videos we will see how we can use VLOOKUP for sales report, especially sales report for fixed price over months and sales report with variable price over months. So here is also another VLOOKUP function for grade report, and in this particular case, for example, we have changed the grading system. Last time in the previous one it was 55, now in this 50, so we can adjust as we like. So that's it, and use this VLOOKUP function to manage your data, which is a very simple one, and I hope you are benefited from this, and thank you very much, and visit our channel always. Bye bye.